Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to do a product review of this scented candle set. And the company Auelife, Auelife, on Amazon reached out to me and asked me if I would review the candles, and I said, sure I will. If you'll remember, a few weeks back, I did review a package of essential oils, and that came from this company as well. Beautiful packaging, beautiful scents, and I was really pleased, and I am using those, by the way. Very much enjoying them at nighttime. So anyway, this here is a men's gift set, and it is in blacks, as you can see, and silvers, and really nice packaging here. This is called, it says Scented Candle Set Men's. Okay, and then it does give some of the fragrances here, but we'll talk about that when we get inside. So these have lead-free cotton wicks. They are hand-poured with natural soy wax. Very nice. And on the back here, it says, crafted from soy wax and infused with all-natural fragrances, this candle set promises a high-quality sensory experience. The packaging is 100% recyclable. The candles are made with the natural soy wax, and the wick is made from lead-free cotton. The candle jars can be recycled or repurposed, and they hand pour in small batches to reduce waste and materials. So it sounds like a nice company, and like I said, this is the second item that they've sent me to review, and so far I'm impressed with the packaging. This candle set is regular priced on Amazon at $27.99, but right now, as of the filming of this video, there's a $3 coupon which brings the price down to $24.99. And that is with the 2-day Amazon shipping as well. So let's get into the box and see what we have. So far, I'm really impressed with the packaging. We have a lovely thank you note here. It says, thank you for your support. We are devoted to providing best products and customer service. And there's a note on the back that says, dear gift connoisseur, thank you so much for choosing our aromatherapy candle gift set. We sincerely appreciate your support and trust in our products. We take pride in creating exquisite scents that transport you to a world of relaxation and tranquility. From the moment you light our candles, the delicate aromas will envelop your space, creating an atmosphere of calmness and serenity. Your support fuels our candle-making adventures and makes us feel like the luckiest candle crafters in the universe. If you ever need anything, from questions about scents to tips on how to set the mood, our team is here to serve you with a big smile. Thanks again for being a significant part of our candle-loving family. Best regards, Auelife, Auelife. Really nice. And it is packaged with black foam to keep everything in place, so that's nice. The candle jars themselves are black, and like I said, you do get 4. I believe each one is 7 ounces. So let's take them out and take a look. I'm not sure if this is a metal jar. It doesn't feel like glass. I think it's metal. And you'll see here, this is vintage leather, and it has hints of vanilla, bergamot, and leather. So let me give that a little smell. It smells really good, and I actually can smell the leather scent in there. So that's pretty cool. And like I said earlier, this is a men's gift pack, so that's perfect for you guys in your life. This one is smoke and vanilla with hints of tobacco, vanilla, and wood. That smells really good too. And I can definitely smell the wood scent in here. Not so much tobacco, which is probably good because I'm sure I probably wouldn't enjoy tobacco, but my son might appreciate that. And the next one is lavender woods, and lavender is one of my favorite scents, so I know I'm going to love this one. Citrus, lavender, and cedarwood. Oh, wow. That smells really good. Yeah, it's got a super light citrusy smell, but also has that hint of lavender in it, so that's really cool. And the last one is vintage oak with hints of oak, cedar, and bergamot. And that's really good too. Wow. I think this is a hit gift package for any man in your life. You know, we got Father's Day. Before you know it, it's going to be here. We might want to get birthday presents or you know, just because maybe Valentine's Day even. This would be a great set for your man for Valentine's Day. Really, really great scents. Love the packaging. The jars are really kind of cool. After you burn up the candles in here, these would be great for decorating. You know, use your Cricut to put some vinyl or something on there, or some of those impression stickers. So anyway, that's what I've got for you today. This awesome men's scented candle set from Auelife. You've got the vintage leather, smoke and vanilla, vintage oak, and lavender woods. And like I said, it is regular price $27.99 on Amazon, and with the coupon, it is $24.99 with 2-day Amazon Prime delivery. So that's what I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I will catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.